Lovely out, isn't it? It's nice and light. You need to do your church. I know I do. I just need to get some more information about the churches because it's famous. I need to do a little bit more because it's nice. I'm sorry I haven't had any tunes this year, but maybe in the future. Maybe that's the door you walk through. Oh my god, she's coming. Just, I'm here. Just video in church.
So clock's working?
Yeah.
Has it chimed at all?
No. You'll hear it on my YouTube. I'm alright, I'm just walking round here. That's where the swan clock is. It's in that
Can you see it?
No, it's right over the side. Just hang on, I'll duck down a bit. Can't get you in here because you said you don't like being on YouTube, so I've got to listen to everybody. All my friends need to know this. Just you have a look at that. Let's have a look. So I think that door there is where you go up and ring the bells. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me. Don't want to get anybody in YouTube because I don't want to get into serious trouble with the police. I'm trying to be very sensible with this video camera. It can be for anything, it can be for bells, churches, history, that's what it's about, not just bells. You need to get that one. Yeah, in a minute. I'm going to get that one in a minute. I think we're going to do the swan clock tomorrow because there's not much time to do it today, so it'll be tomorrow before going home back to Grandsmere on my last day. So I've really enjoyed this holiday and I'm going to say a big thank you very much to my friend Jill. Thank you, Jill. You're so kind. Oh, you are. You are so kind. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Right, that's enough now.